Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online math class. Students, in previous videos we had completed story sums on page number 13. Had you? So students, tell me, have you completed all work in your maths book? Very good. So students, in this video we will start next page number, means new topic, questions of subtraction of page number 14. So students, take your maths book and open page number 14. Okay. So students, this is your page number 14. And here we have some questions of subtraction, okay, of two-digit number, okay, like addition questions. So students, look here. Here we have some questions of subtraction of two-digit number. So look here. Here first one number is 68 and second number is 23. So 68 of two-digit number and 23 is also of two-digit numbers, okay. So again, like this, like addition questions, in subtraction question, for solving the subtraction questions, firstly we have to subtract ones digit numbers, and after the ones we will subtract tens digit numbers. Okay, understood all of you? Like this here 68 and 35. Then firstly we will subtract 3 from 8, then we will get 5, and after this we will subtract 2 from 6, then we will get 4. Understood all of you? How will you solve these questions? Very good. Now let's start our work. So students, again I will tell you, sometimes in some questions we have two numbers. We have one number of two-digit number and second number of one-digit numbers. So how we solve that question? So if we have 24 is first number and second one is 2, then here 24 is two-digit number and 2 is one-digit number. Then we will subtract one digit number, means 2 from 4, then we will get 2. Okay, and let here second digit number is 0. Then let means हमने सिर्फ माना है कि यहाँ पे सेकेंड डिजिट नंबर 0 है, हम ये सिर्फ मान रहे हैं. ओके, then if we will subtract 2 from 0, then we will get again 2. Okay, understood all of you? How will you solve the questions of one digit and two digit numbers? Very good. So students, let's start our work. First one, here we have two numbers. First one is 15 and second one is 4. Then here first number is of two-digit number and second number of one-digit number. So let's start. Firstly we will subtract one-digit numbers. Then if we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. Understood all of you? If we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. Now here we have second number of one-digit number, then we will get then second digit number is 0. Okay, then if we will subtract 0 from 1, then we will get same number, means 1. Okay, now if we will subtract 4 from 15, then we will get answer is 11. Understood all of you? How will you subtract these questions? Very good. Second one, again here first number of two-digit number and second number of one-digit number. So if we will subtract 6 from 2, then we will get 2. And second number, again we have second digit number, again second number we have one digit number, those then we will get here 0, then if we will subtract 0 from 2, then we will get same number, then 2. Understood all of you? Very good. Now here we have two digit two numbers, then one number of two digit number and second also two digit numbers. So firstly we will subtract one digit number, then if we will subtract 3 from 5, then we will get 2. If we will subtract 1 from 1, then we will get 0. Okay, means students, if we will subtract same number from the same number, then we will get 0. Okay, understood all of you? Very good. Means here if we will count 1 and we will cut 1, then we will get 0. Okay, understood all of you? Next one. First number is 38 and second one is 28. So if we will subtract 8 from 8, then we will get 0, and if we will subtract 2 from 3, then we will get 1. Okay, understood all of you? Next one. If we will subtract 0 from 0, then we will get 0, and if we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. Understood all of you? Very good. So students, understood all of you? How will you do these questions? Very good. So students, this line is your homework and this line also is your homework, means these two lines are your homework, and solve these questions like previous questions. Okay, because it's question of subtraction of two digit numbers and one digit numbers. Understood all of you? Very good. Now come on your next questions. Here we have some another question of subtractions. So let's start our work. Here 29 minus 6. Here we have two numbers na, 29 minus 6. Then we will here 29 is of two digit number and 6 is one digit number. Then we will get in second number 0 is of two digit number. Okay. Then we will subtract 6 from 9, then we will get 3. Okay, and 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Okay, next one. 7 minus 5 equal to 2 and 6 minus 0 equal to 6. 9 minus 5 equal to 4 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Next one question, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. If we will subtract 2 from 2, then we will get 0, and if we will subtract 1 from 6, then we will get 5. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Next one, if we will subtract 2 from 4, then we will get 2, and 2 from 1 and 1 from 2, then we will get 1. Okay, next one, 2 from 1, then 1, and 2, if we will subtract 2 from 4, then we will get 2. Okay, next one, if we will subtract 4 from 8, then we will get 4, and if we will subtract 3 from 6, then we will get 3. Like this, 7 minus 5 equal to 2 and 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Understood all of you students? How will you solve these questions? Very good. So students, this line is your homework. So do this line at your home and do it yourself. So students, these three lines, 1, 2 and 3, these three lines are your homework. Then do it yourself at your home very carefully and honestly, and students, write in good handwriting and very carefully. Okay, and write neat and clean. And these three lines are your homework. In next video we will check this homework. Okay, so complete this work at your home very carefully. Now come on your next page. Students, here we have some story sums. Look here we have some story sums and some pictures also related to the question. Okay, we have to write solution of these questions in these boxes. Okay, means understood all of you? We have to write solution of these questions in the given boxes. And look here students, first one is done for us, then we will start from second. Understood all of you? Very good. And we have to write a solution of this question in the given boxes, okay, in good handwriting. So let's start our work. Second question is, Vani made 30 paper boats. 10 boats sank. How many were left? So students, Vani ने 30 पेपर बोट्स बनाई. Okay, 10 बोट्स पानी में डूब गई. Okay, so how many were left? So students, if you have 5 toffees and you gave your 3 toffees to your sister, then how many toffees were left? अगर आपके पास 5 टॉफ़ीज़ थी और आपने उसमें से 3 अपनी सिस्टर को दे दी, तो आपके पास कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ बची? तो आप कैसे पता करोगे? 5 माइनस 3 ना, 5 में से 3 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो 2 टॉफ़ीज़. इसी तरह वानी में 30 पेपर बोट्स एंड 10 बोट्स sank. हाउ मैनी वर लेफ्ट? मीन्स 30 माइनस 10. इफ वी विल सब्सट्रैक्ट 10 फ्रॉम 30, देन वी विल गेट 20. मीन्स 20 boats were left. Okay. Third one question is, Hari's coloring book has 64 pages. He has colored the drawing on 32 pages. How many pages are left? So हरी की जो कलर बुक है, हरी की ड्राइंग बुक में 64 पेजेस हैं. हरी की ड्राइंग बुक में कितने पेजेस हैं? 64 पेजेस. एंड ही हैज़ कलर्ड द ड्राइंग ऑन 32 पेजेस. एंड ही हैज़ कलर्ड 32 पेजेस. देन हाउ मैनी पेजेस आर लेफ्ट फॉर ड्राइंग? सो फॉर कलर्ड 64 minus 32. Then 4 minus 2. Firstly we will subtract ones na, 2 and 6 minus 3, 3. Then 32 pages are left for color. Okay, understood all of you? And students, write in good handwriting. Okay, understood all of you na? Very good. Next one question, third one. There are 39 children in a class. 35 of them are going for a picnic. How many children are not going? So students, in a class, in your class, 39 children there. 39 children are there. Means in a class, 39 children are there. And 35 children going for a picnic. And 35 children going for a picnic. Then how many children are not going? Tell me students. So 39 minus 35. Then again we will subtract from firstly we will subtract ones. 9 minus 5 equal to 4 and 3 minus 3 equal to 0, means 4 children. Okay, next one question. Jaya has 57 stickers. Jaya has 57 stickers and Maya has 22 stickers. How many more stickers does Jaya have? Jaya के पास 57 stickers हैं. Okay, look these stickers. Jaya के पास 57 stickers हैं and Maya के पास 22 stickers हैं. तो Jaya के पास कितने stickers जाते हैं? Then if we will subtract 22 stickers from 57 stickers, then 57 minus 22, 7 minus 2 equal to 5 and 5 minus 2 equal to 3, means still 35 stickers. And students, write in good handwriting. Again I tell you. Okay, now next question, question 6. Mrs. Roy needs 78 paper cups. She already has 43 paper cups. How many more does she need to buy? So students, मिसेज रॉय के पास को 78 पेपर कप्स चाहिए. ओके, बट मिसेज रॉय के पास 43 कप्स पहले से ही हैं. देन उन्हें कितने कप से खरीदने हैं? देन 78 minus 43. Okay, then 8 minus 3 equal to 5 and 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Then if we will subtract 43 minus 7 from 78, then we will get 35. Then if Mrs. Roy buy 35 cups, then we will get 78 papers. Okay, so write here 35 cups. Okay, next one. Tom's grandma is 59 years old. Tom's grandma is 59 years old. His aunt is 28 years old. How much older is his grandma than his aunt? So Tom's की grandma 59 years old है. कितनी ईयर्स की है? 59 ईयर्स की. एंड हिज आंट इज़ 28 ईयर्स ओल्ड. और उसकी आंट कितनी ईयर्स की है? 28 ईयर्स की. देन हाउ मच ओल्डर इज़ हिज ग्रैंडमा देन हिज आंट, मतलब उसकी ग्रैंडमा उसके आंट से कितनी बड़ी है? देन 59 minus 28. If we will subtract 28 from 59, then we will get answer 9 minus 8 equal to 1 and 5 minus 2 equal to 3, means 31 years. Okay, 31 years means उसकी ग्रैंडमा उसकी आंट से 31 years बड़ी. Okay, understood all of you? How will you do these questions? So students, do these questions in your math book very carefully and honestly, and students do this work in good handwriting and very carefully. Okay, and write neat and clean. And students, these 3 lines are your homework now. These 3 lines are your homework. So students, complete this work yourself at your home very honestly and carefully. Okay, understood all of you? In next video we will check our homework and start new topic. Okay, understood all of you? So take care. Thank you. Okay, bye.